The next thing we're going to do is we're going to build in the CD writer, the CD reader, and the floppy disk drive. Now, one problem we are having is we have to take out the panel right here in order to build in the CD writer. Be careful with the metal part, because it can have very sharp edges. Next step is to build in the CD reader. Slides in from the front into the housing, and then you just put in 4 screws, 2 on each side, and that is enough. The CD writer and the floppy disk drive will go in the same way. Now the hard drive. That one slides in from the back, and also on that one you'll need 4 screws, 2 on each side. The hard disk is now in its place. You gotta make sure that the jumpers on the back of each drive are in the right place. On our computer we have the CD writer in the master position and the CD reader in the slave position. There you can see them. Those are the jumpers. Also, the hard disk has a jumper, and of course if you have only one hard disk you have to put it into the master position. If you have a second hard disk you have to put the jumper of the second hard disk in the slave position, of course. The floppy disk drive does not have any jumper settings. We hope that this video was able to help you building your own personal computer.